Today we're demoing zeroing out your SLS on the SRS-4. You'll have to start from your grade control screen. We're going to our hidden tuning screen. Using our first soft key and fourth soft key, we're in the hidden tuning screen. We're going to arrow over or down until we highlight our SLS icon. We're going to choose that. It tells us what configuration we need to put the machine in to zero out our SLS. So once the stabilizer's at 100% down, our boom needs to be 75 to 100% boomed in, and we're going to use a level on our mast pole to level the SLS. To manually level the SLS, we're going to use our remote control and toggle positive and negative on the SLS to get our head level. Using the level on the mast pole, we're going to level the head using our remote control manually. Machine must be in manual mode. Once we have our head level, we're then going to select the null process, which will then null out our SLS.